In this video, I'm going to show you how to play American Idiot by Green Day off of their album American Idiot. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if American Idiot was your favorite Green Day song, and let's dive in. This song's going to be in standard tuning, and we're going to be using mainly power chords throughout the song. So the intro will sound like this. It'll start with a cleaner, quieter guitar. And then the distorted guitars will come in. So the power chord sequence there is 4th fret 6th string, 4th fret 5th string, 2nd fret 6th string, back up to 4th fret 5th string, and then ending 4th fret 6th string. And the right hand rhythm sounds like this, slow. So you can play that all down picks if you want, but I use alternate picking. And the alternate picking would be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, and then every other time they'll go down to 2nd fret 6th string. So that's every other time, so it'll be okay, so every other time they're alternating between going down to the 2nd fret 6th string or just hitting open strings. And that rhythm will continue into the verses. So verse 1 will start with just the vocal, and then the guitar kicks in with this. And then it pauses. And then it kicks in again. Pauses, kicks in again. And then pauses and kicks in again. At this point, we enter the chorus, and here's where the chord structure changes. So now we're in the chorus, we're still playing power chords. The power chords will sound like this now. So that's pretty much just straight 8th notes with the right hand, skipping beats here and there. We're starting 4th fret 5th string, then we'll go 4th fret 6th string, then 6th fret 5th string, and then back down to 4th fret 6th string. So repeats. And then we have a drum fill, and then it kicks back into that main chord structure. At this point, we'll play a second verse and a second chorus exactly the same as the first. Now at this point, we enter the solo. So the guitar solo is going to sound like this. I'll play it slow. Okay, so that first part is just octave swiping. So we'll start here on the 8th fret, 5th string, octave, 8th fret, 5th string. That includes 10th fret, 3rd string. Okay, as far as the right hand rhythm, it pretty much just follows the vocal line from other parts in the song, so. Okay, so we slide down from 8 to 6 to 4, slide back up to 6, back up to 8, down to 6, down to 4, and down to 3. So we have this so far. Okay, now from here, we're going to play 3rd fret, 3rd string. Okay, so that's 3rd fret. Again, same kind of vocal rhythm with the right hand. Up to 5, 6, 5, 3. Okay, so 2 hits there, and then we're going to slide up to 8, still on the 3rd string. Okay, so that's 2 hits on the 8th fret, 3rd string, then 9 on the 2nd, 2 hits on the 8th fret of the 3rd, then up to 11 of the 2nd. So we have. Okay, and then we go over 8th fret of the 1st string. Then back down to 11 once, 8th fret, 3rd string once, and then it ends there, 9th fret, 2nd string. So all together slow. So up to this point in the solo, we have this. Let's play it slow. Now from here, we're just going to start repeating, same octave swipes. Same still here. Okay, now at this point, we slide up to 8, and then play 9th fret, 2nd string, to end the solo. So that second half of the solo all together. At this point, you'll hear that cleaner, softer guitar come in. Okay, and he'll be singing over this in the bridge. Okay, and then eventually we'll kick into the final chorus, which is exactly the same as the others. And then to end the song, we'll go through that main riff one more time. Now at this point, you hear that cleaner, softer guitar go. And then the distorted guitars come in and hit this to end the song. Was Green Day the best pop punk band of all time? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.